Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw dividends from REITs via Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw dividends from REITs via Charles Schwab, begin by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the homepage. Click on Balances to view your available funds and recent transactions. Locate the REIT investment from which you want to withdraw dividends. Make sure that the dividends have been credited to your account. If the dividends are not yet credited, you may need to wait until the payout date. Next, go to the Trade tab and select Withdraw from the drop-down menu. Choose the account that holds your REIT investments. Input the amount of dividends you wish to withdraw. Select the method of withdrawal, whether it's by bank transfer or by check. If you select bank transfer, ensure your bank account is linked to your Schwab account. Review the transaction details to confirm accuracy. Once verified, click Submit to process the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message stating that your withdrawal has been initiated. Check your email for any notifications regarding the withdrawal status. Keep in mind that processing times may vary depending on the selected withdrawal method. Monitor your bank account or mail for the receipt of your withdrawn dividends. If there are any delays or issues, contact Schwab customer service for assistance. Your dividends should be successful, providing you with the returns from your REIT investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.